All of you, welcome. Today, I'm going to be starting with Angular. So, fine. Angular, we already have a lot of videos on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and even React Native. Also, I started a playlist. And today onwards, I'm going to be starting a new playlist called Angular. Angular is most popular demanding technology, front-end technology, a modern JavaScript, modern front-end technology, where we can able to develop single page applications using by Angular, and it's Google product now. Previously, we have Angular.js, but now we will be having Angular. So this one, Angular is now famous after Angular 2.20. Previously, we are actually using plain JavaScript in Angular.js. Plain JavaScript. We have the normal JavaScript, ECMAScript 5, right? So that JavaScript only we are using there. Okay, but now in Angular, basically we have to use TypeScript. So we need to understand properly about the TypeScript also. TypeScript is typed JavaScript. Data types we will be having, and we need to provide a specific data type for each and every variable using with the TypeScript. But we already know about React. React, we have to use ES6 programming features, ES6 JavaScript features, latest modern JavaScript features we have to use for the React. But coming to the Angular, Angular also modern JavaScript pattern we have to use, but that kind of pattern is TypeScript. Okay, so we will have a complete video about the TypeScript later. And anyway, I am going to be starting a new playlist for the TypeScript. You can follow the TypeScript first. Just go to the TypeScript documentation. You can find out what is the TypeScript. If you know JavaScript very well, you can easily understand what the TypeScript is. For HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can follow my description. You can follow that. We will be having all single videos on HTML and CSS and JavaScript. But now, for Angular specifically, why Angular basically required for? Angular basically require for develop single page applications. Same like React, single page applications. Okay. And one more thing, develop single page applications and develop modern front end applications or modern front end part, modern front end or modern web applications, whatever it may be. And Angular is language independent, so it will be available for any language, and Angular is browser independent. Same way for every browser, this will be support. Okay, there is no problem with the browsers also. There is no problem with the programming languages also. In the backend part, you can use Python. In the backend part, you can use Java or .NET or PHP or Node.js. Angular with Node, we will be having a full stack called main stack. So I think we already discussed about the main stack and mon stack. Okay, so in the mean stack and mon stack, in the mean, we will be having some kind of MongoDB. Then E means Express. Then A means Angular, and N means Node. We already know this. At the same time, what is about mon stack? Mon stack also kind of the same MongoDB and Express, and here it will be replaced with React and Node.js as usual. Now there is a one more stack called Maven stack. So if anybody don't know about a Maven stack, so I'll tell about Maven stack also. So when you search for jobs in Naukri or Glassdoor or Indeed, wherever you want, you can search for the jobs. So you search a job like full stack developer as a main stack developer or Maven stack developer or Maven stack developer. So this is also same kind of thing, MongoDB and Express, and V means Vue.js, and N means Node.js as usual. So after learning Angular, better you can learn Node.js as a server side and MongoDB is a database. You be a full stack developer at the same time. Okay, and I already told this Angular is basically in the part of the front end, but in the back end it may be comfortable with the Java. The mostly applications, Java applications are basically using Angular nowadays, and at the same time .NET applications also mostly using Angular. Angular is also popular like React, but React is a little bit popular than Angular. But Angular have more robust and more dynamic applications you can able to create with. Okay, Angular is having good job of openings comparing with React and Angular. Both are actually having good opportunities. So I'm not comparing React and Angular. Angular is different pattern of writing program, and React is also having a different pattern of writing program. But React follows uh, NVV pattern, but Angular follows NVC pattern. That is the only difference between the React and Angular. But both are childs of JavaScript, or both are a superset of JavaScripts. If you know JavaScript very well, you can able to done Angular applications easily. But whenever you want to write applications with Angular, you have to install properly the project. And for that, we need to install Node.js. Without having the Node.js installation, you can't able to build this Angular applications. So Angular built on Node.js. Again, React built on Node.js, right? And at the same time, Angular built on Node.js. Okay, so npm Node Package Manager. Even React also built on Node.js, Node Package Manager. For create a React application, we need to install Node.js first. And for create Angular application also, we need to install Node.js first. Without having Node.js in your machine, you cannot go for React application creation. You cannot go with the Angular application creation. That is a major fundamental point you have to remember. So further classes, I will install a first application. I will create a first application for Angular. And later on, we will be having a lot of things we need to discuss, like Angular components, Angular routing, and what is this controller pattern, what is this ng if kind of thing, controlling the different conditions, and how to create uh, how to connect with the databases, how to connect with the servers or services, how to connect with dynamic data with the JSON data. We will see a lot of things using with Angular. We will go with the forms, we will go with the validations, we will go with the binding procedures. Okay, there are multiple things we have to discuss for Angular. So I will share later the course content also for the Angular, or the proper how to learn Angular, what are the topics I need to learn for Angular. I will share everything. That is not an issue. Just keep tuned with me for Angular videos and React videos, mean stack videos, mon stack videos, React native videos, and Flutter videos. Later, I will start a Flutter channel. Flutter playlist also. So there are a lot of videos I'm trying to posting for you free of cost. I'm not charging anything for this, right? At the same time, the thing is you have to get the jobs, and you be settled very good. And the only request is, please share this channel for your friends or colleagues, whatever it may be, and like the channel, share the channel, subscribe the channel, give the comments, more and more comments and more likes. Then it'll reach for many people. It will reach for many freshers, like kind of things, or experienced kind of things, who is having a lack of knowledge. And I'll try to create Telugu videos also. People are asking Telugu and Hindi. So Hindi, a little bit actually I know, but I try to speak in Hindi also. Okay, so but I know Telugu well. I will go through Telugu videos also. The same playlist we will be going with the Telugu at the same time. Hindi also I will try to keep. A lot of people are actually a lot of students of me, mine from North Indians. So they're asking, sir, please post videos in Hindi also. I try to keep Hindi videos also. So thank you. Bye for now. Okay, signing off. We will meet again in the next video for Angular installation. Bye.